Palantir Technologies has been making headlines lately because analysts believe the company's approach to customer engagement could drive its stock to even greater heights. One of the key elements behind this belief is a specialized group of software engineers who are not only highly skilled, but also deeply involved with Palantir's clients. These engineers are not sitting in an office removed from the action. Instead, they are directly embedding themselves within customer organizations to ensure that Palantir's technology is used effectively and that its value is clearly demonstrated. This direct involvement is creating stronger relationships between Palantir and its customers, and it is one of the major reasons Wall Street is paying close attention to the company. Bank of America analysts have been very vocal about this approach. They point out that these engineers, known as forward-deployed engineers, are part of what they describe as the company's special advantage. The forward-deployed engineers work side by side with customer teams, providing services, solving problems, and showing the real-world capabilities of Palantir's technology. Rather than simply handing over software, Palantir makes sure its technology is integrated into the customer's workflow and used to solve their most complex challenges. Recently, Palantir has been enhancing this strategy by introducing Agentic artificial intelligence, which allows these engineers to expand their influence across even more use cases. Bank of America believes this new development will accelerate the growth of Palantir's commercial business because the artificial intelligence forward-deployed engineers can handle more tasks, respond to new situations faster, and deliver solutions that meet a broader range of customer needs. The performance of Palantir stock in the current year has already been remarkable. The company's shares have increased by 137% since January, which makes Palantir the third best performer among all companies in the Standard & Poor's 500 index. Even with this impressive growth, Bank of America sees additional opportunities for upside. The analysts believe that Palantir's activities are expanding in multiple directions, and this diversification strengthens the company's prospects for long-term success. To reflect this optimistic outlook, they have assigned a fresh price target of $215. According to their assessment, this price target suggests the potential for roughly 18% more growth in the stock's value from where it currently trades. Palantir's influence is not limited to the commercial sector. Its government work is also a major part of its business and an area that is attracting significant attention. One of the most notable developments is a new strategic partnership with the United Kingdom's Ministry of Defense. This partnership represents a significant commitment because the Ministry of Defense plans to invest up to £750 million, which is equivalent to more than $1 billion over the next 5 years. The purpose of this investment is to develop artificial intelligence-enabled defense technology. Bank of America analysts stated that this partnership strengthens Palantir's role as a global digital battle management system provider. They emphasized that the artificial intelligence forward-deployed engineers are helping to expand Palantir's competitive edge by driving higher demand for its software, improving scalability so that the technology can be used more broadly, and enabling engineers to focus on solving the toughest and most complex challenges that customers face. This approach is making Palantir an attractive option for organizations that need powerful technology solutions but do not want to build their own systems from scratch. According to Bank of America, many customers will prefer to buy Palantir's operating system instead of creating their own because Palantir can deliver artificial intelligence agents much faster. The analysts also believe that as more customers work with Palantir's forward-deployed engineers, they will discover new and innovative ways to apply these artificial intelligence tools. This cycle of innovation and adoption is expected to strengthen Palantir's position in the market over time. Looking toward the future, Bank of America predicts that Palantir's commercial sales could exceed $10 billion by the year 2030. The company's recent financial results support this optimistic view. In August, Palantir announced that its United States commercial revenue had grown by 93% year over year, reaching $306 million during the June quarter. This level of growth highlights the strong demand for Palantir's products and services in the commercial sector. The partnership with the United Kingdom's Ministry of Defense is also significant for another reason. It represents Palantir's first agreement outside of the United States worth $1 billion. This milestone underscores Palantir's growing international influence and suggests that other countries may follow the United Kingdom's lead in adopting Palantir's technology for their own defense and intelligence operations. Bank of America also pointed out that Palantir's Maven Smart system has seen dramatic growth in adoption within the United States, increasing 8 times since the start of 2024. Moreover, this system is now being used by the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, which further validates its effectiveness and global relevance. The analysts at Bank of America expressed confidence that other countries will begin to consider Maven as their primary global digital battle management system. They noted that Maven offers interoperability with the United States and its allies, which is a key advantage for coordinated operations. At the same time, it allows nations to maintain control over their own data, which is essential for sovereignty and security. Because of these advantages, Bank of America raised its projections for Palantir's government-related revenue, expecting it to exceed $8 billion by the end of the current decade. Palantir's United States government revenue in the June quarter rose to $426 million, which represents a 53% increase compared to the previous year. Analysts at D.A. Davidson also praised Palantir's forward-deployed engineers, highlighting their importance in discussions about the company's strong position in the market. They noted that these engineers give Palantir a unique advantage by ensuring that the company's technology is not just delivered, but also effectively integrated and optimized for customers. This direct and practical involvement helps Palantir maintain a reputation as a trusted partner rather than just a software provider. Overall, the combination of strong commercial growth, strategic government partnerships, and innovative use of artificial intelligence are central to this strategy, and their ability to embed with customers and solve challenging problems sets Palantir apart from competitors. As Palantir continues to find new applications for its technology, and as more customers adopt its systems, analysts believe the company is well positioned to sustain its growth trajectory and deliver strong returns for investors. Essentially, Palantir Technologies is gaining attention on Wall Street because of its forward-deployed engineers, or forward-deployed engineers spelled out in full, who work directly with customers to integrate Palantir's software and demonstrate its value. Bank of America analysts believe that adding agentic artificial intelligence to these engineers' skills will accelerate commercial growth and create new opportunities. The stock has already risen by 137% this year, ranking third in the Standard & Poor's 500 index, and analysts have set a new price target of $215, suggesting about 18% more upside. Palantir's government business is also strengthening, highlighted by a partnership with the United Kingdom's Ministry of Defense involving over $1 billion in artificial intelligence-enabled defense technology investments over 5 years. Adoption of Palantir's Maven Smart system has grown 8 times since early 2024, with usage now expanding to the North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Bank of America expects commercial sales to exceed $10 billion and government sales to surpass $8 billion by the end of the decade, while D.A. Davidson analysts also praise Palantir's engineers for giving the company a powerful market position. For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.